The ACMD is a unique asset to Australia and perhaps even the world. The ACMD to me represents the best way of bringing together people who speak different languages, getting to work on problems that involve new, different and better solutions.
I feel that there could be no greater investment in Australia's future than investing in innovation and medical discoveries.
The ACMD, or the Aikenhead Centre for Medical Discovery, is the most ambitious bioengineering medical research institute in Australia. Our clinicians work with world-leading engineers, bioengineers, researchers, scientists and, most critically, industry experts. At the ACMD, commercial partners are involved from the beginning of a project.
The scientists, the engineers, the clinicians, no one understands what they can bring to the solution. Something that I realised a long time ago is that if you show these people clinical problems, they can come up with better solutions for you.
The ACMD's unique point of difference is that it turns traditional medical research on its head. Our projects don't start in the laboratory, they start with the patient in a hospital setting. We're looking for solutions to chronic health issues that impact the lives of our patients.
A Melbourne woman has become the first person in the world to be fitted with a revolutionary device to treat epilepsy. The breakthrough implant monitors brain activity to detect and prevent seizures.
Flora Purvis has battled a rare form of epilepsy all her life. More than 70 tablets a week can't stop her seizures, robbing her of a normal life.
So this new system and this new way of using which we've applied to Flora here lets us listen to brain continuously and stimulate only when necessary.
The brain surgery has for me been life-changing and fabulous.
60 million people in the world have epilepsy. At least a third of them aren't adequately controlled with the medications that we have. The disability of epilepsy comes about because of the unpredictability of the events. That's what stops people driving and working, stops them being safe around the house. It interferes with every aspect of their life. So if we can predict that accurately, we can change their lives, and we're doing that now. So the most exciting thing I'm involved in is the EpiMinder project. We've developed an implantable system that goes under the scalp that listens continuously to the brain's electrical activity and captures the seizures as they happen. We can do lots of things with this. We can judge therapies better, we can make people safer by connecting it to alerting systems, but as well we can predict seizures. Joint replacement surgery is a great way of treating patients with osteoarthritis, but what would be even better is if we could prevent osteoarthritis in the first place. Treating patients with osteoarthritis costs the Australian government between $5 and $8 billion every year. If we can prevent even a small proportion of this, just think what we could do with that money. Our vision starts with the Excelder pen. This is a very special type of pen that is able to print live stem cells in special bioinks and biomaterials. Like a 3D printer, we print the substance into these potholes in cartilage, and by doing that, we want to regrow normal cartilage. When we are successful at doing this, we have a great chance of preventing arthritis.
The key focus of ACMD is on the collaboration between nationally and internationally renowned institutions and specialists from different fields, bringing their unique skills to develop new and innovative biomedical solutions.
Some of these skills include things that you wouldn't normally find in a regular university or medical research institute environment. They might include skills like full prototype development, design skills, quality control, manufacturing, reimbursement, regulatory affairs, health economics and so on. There are lots of skills required to take these solutions towards clinical application, towards translation into clinical practice. In setting up the Aikenhead Centre, we are drawing on activities at some of the world's leading organisations for this kind of medical innovation. And I'm thinking here of institutions like Stanford University or MIT in the US, big hospitals like the Cleveland Clinic and the Mayo Clinic, centres in Europe like the Crick Institute, and others around the world. We're using activities from these best-of-breed institutions in designing what the activities of the Aikenhead Centre are.
The Excelda pen and the EpiMinder are two of the products that have emerged from the ACMD. Imagine what world-breaking outcomes we'll deliver when the problem-solving teams have a space to work together.
What the ACMD will do is bring together the greatest minds, the skilled hands and the expert knowledge that will keep Australia at the forefront of innovation in medicine and biotechnology.
I can't possibly overstate the importance of having all these people together in the same area.
This is the only centre in Australia specifically designed to address these challenges.
I urge you all to become involved in this wonderful project for the future of Australia.
We need your support to make this vision a reality.